1400 years ago, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, felt immense pain. He had lost his beloved sons, and his enemies mocked him, calling him Abtar, someone who is cut off, with no hope and no future. In that moment of deep sadness, Allah sent down a gift, the shortest chapter in the Quran, but one with the biggest promise. This is the story and significance of Surah Al-Kawthar. Surah Al-Kawthar has only 3 verses, but they changed history. Verse 1 says, Inna a'atainaka al-Kawthar. Indeed, we have granted you Al-Kawthar. What is Al-Kawthar? It means abundant goodness. Scholars tell us it refers to a special river in the paradise, reserved for the Prophet and his true followers. It is said that its water is whiter than milk and sweeter than honey. If you drink from it once, you will never be thirsty again. But Al-Kawthar also means everything good, the Quran, wisdom, and the millions of Muslims who love the Prophet today. So how do we say thank you for such a big gift? Verse 2 gives the answer. فَصَلِّ لِرَبِّكَ وَانْحَرْ. So pray to your Lord and sacrifice. When Allah bless you, or even when you are sad, turn to Him in prayers. This verse teaches us that the best reaction to both joy and pain is to connect with our Creator. And finally, Allah defends His Prophet. Verse 3, Inna shāniyaka huwal abtar. Indeed, your enemy is the one cut off. The men who mocked the Prophet are forgotten by history or remembered only for their bad deeds. But the Prophet's name is chanted every second of every day around the world. So why should you read Surah Al-Kawthar every day? It comforts the heart, just as it comforted the Prophet. Reciting this surah can heal your sadness and anxiety. It builds hope. It reminds us that our enemies or our problems are temporary, but Allah's gift are forever. Connection to the fountain. Reciting it with love keeps our connection strong with the Prophet, in hopes that we drink from his hand at the river of Al-Kawthar in the hereafter. It takes less than 10 seconds to recite, but its reward are heavy on the scales. Next time you pray, recite Surah Al-Kawthar and remember the abundance Allah has given you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Islamic reminders from Islamic Foresight. Peace be upon you. May Allah bless us all. Thank you.